Toffee. It's the box of happy. The mail people indented the box. To be rude, huh? You happy about the box of happy being here? Oh my goodness! Looks like it's like a wildcat box. What's in there? What's in there? Looks like we got a wand. We know the girls love the wands. You gonna chew on the plastic? Be like Beanie? No? It's fine. Yeah? Oh, she goes right for it. Aw, she's licking her other toy, which looks like a little lion head. Aw, Toffee girl. Rude! Oh, that is adorable. It's already got kitty slobber on it. Oh, she's so sweet. What's this? Is this a pen? I think this is a pen. Microphone? Toffee girl. What is this? Ooh, bracelet it says. It matches you, my darling. It's a toffee bracelet. Isn't that not pretty? Looks like my toffee. Okay, well, we got a shirt here. Oh, that's adorable. Look, biscuit. You can't bite that. Tiny roar, big heart. Isn't that cute? And then we got one more thing here. A tote with a leopard on it. Can you get in there, Miss Toffee? It's a purple tote. We all know I like the purple. It'd be good for going to Aldi. Look, Toffee.